Okay, I'm going to do a bike check. This is a S&M LTF. Starting from the top with the grips, we have Colt Vans grips, black with the Odyssey par ends. Odyssey Lumberjack bars, black. Primo Annihilator stem. Odyssey Classic Dirt forks. S&M LTF frame. Eastern headset. Sprocket's a Fit DLR sprocket, and the cranks are Powerlight. They're made by Profile. They're older cranks. Pedals Odyssey twisted plastic. Seat the Aaron Ross Odyssey seat. Animal wedge seat post. Salt rim. Animal tire, the GLH. KMC chain. 2 random pegs. Oh, and this rim is a salt rim and a Fit FAF tire white wall. Yeah, that's my bike.